This 2025 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition 353 Vic is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a dough interior, sleeps 4, oven, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, skylight, slide-out, smoke detector, refrigerator, self-contained, external shower, microwave, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition 353 Vic is 11,490 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.